I'm Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and this week we're going to talk about 6 ways to look great to your voiceover customers. And if you're just starting out, save this video because one day you are going to get your first gig and you want to make sure you do it right. So I'm here. I've got your back. I'm going to help you out. So number 1 is to be reliable. So I know a lot of people are attracted to voiceover because it's a lifestyle business. And they think, okay, I can ski, I can go to the beach. Well, not really, not if you've got client work to do. So everything must be delivered on time or even early. And you got to return all your phone calls and emails from your customers. So if you're going to be in this business, you're here to serve them. Number 2 is your audio quality needs to be what we call pristine, which means it needs to sound as if it could run on the air, broadcast quality. Make sure you really know how to work your home studio. Number 3 is your voiceovers need to be accurate. So you got to read exactly what's on that script. Make sure you listen back, correct any errors. Number 4 is you should be easily accessible. So as I was saying earlier, if a client contacts you, you got to check your email. You have to check your voicemail. Someone said to me today, oh, it's 2018. Nobody leaves voicemail anymore. Well, your clients might. Maybe your clients aren't into texting. So get your voicemail, clean out your inbox and check it because somebody might be trying to reach you for a voiceover gig. Number 5, this goes without saying, but I need to say it because some people are not pleasant and professional. You need to be easy to work with and professional and pleasant at all times. And number 6, bill the client immediately. Don't wait till the end of the month because they have to do their books as well. And remarkably, we have some voice talent that we work with. They haven't billed us for 2 years for certain jobs. And we're chasing after them. What the heck is going on? And then 2 years later, they're like, oh yeah, you never paid me on this invoice. Well, you never sent me the bill. So these are the 6 tips. Keep them handy, refer to them again and again, and I wish you luck with your voiceover career. I'm Susan Berkley, back next week with more Inside Voiceover.